Welcome back to our Figma Beginner series. In Lesson 1, we learned what Figma is, the difference between UI and UX, and why companies love using it. Today we're going to set everything up so you can start designing. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to create a free Figma account, the difference between the browser and desktop versions, how to explore community files, and how to organize your projects like a professional. Let's get started. Open your web browser and search for Figma, or simply go to figma.com. Click Get Started. You can sign up using Google, Apple, or your email address. The free plan is perfect for beginners. It lets you design unlimited files, create prototypes, use plugins, explore community resources, collaborate with others. You don't need to pay anything while learning. Once you've signed in, you'll arrive at your Figma dashboard. This is where all of your design files will live. Now you have two ways to use Figma. Option 1, browser version. This runs directly inside Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. Advantages: no installation, works on almost any computer, always updated, perfect for beginners. If you're following this course, the browser version is completely fine. Option 2, desktop app. You can also download the desktop application. Advantages: slightly faster, better keyboard shortcuts, easier file management, better performance with large projects. The interface looks almost identical. Whether you use browser or desktop, all your files stay synced to your account, so don't worry, you won't miss anything in this course. One of Figma's biggest strengths is its amazing community. Click on Community from the left sidebar. Here, you'll discover thousands of free resources made by designers around the world. For example, UI kits, mobile app templates, website templates, icons, illustrations, design systems, wireframes, practice files, resume templates, presentation templates. If you see something you like, click on it. Then click Duplicate. A copy is instantly added to your own drafts, where you can edit anything you want. This is one of the best ways to learn Figma. Instead of starting from scratch, study how experienced designers build their projects. As you create more designs, organization becomes very important. By default, new files are saved inside drafts. Drafts are your personal workspace. A good habit is to give every file a meaningful name. Instead of naming it Untitled, Login Screen, Portfolio Website, Mobile App Practice, Dashboard Design. Later, when you have dozens of files, you'll find everything much faster. If you're working with a team, you can also create projects inside a team workspace. But for now, drafts are all you need. Keeping your files organized from the beginning will save you lots of time later. Today you learned how to create a free Figma account, browser versus desktop versions, how to explore community files, how to duplicate free templates, how to organize your design files. Awesome! You've successfully set up your Figma workspace. In the next lesson, we'll take a complete tour of the Figma interface. You'll learn what every panel, toolbar, and button does, so you'll feel comfortable navigating Figma before we start designing. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in Lesson 3.